My grandmother says the conception of time in the West is different from the conception of time in the East. In the West, time is linear, but in the East, the conception of time is cyclical. Time folds back on itself with each generation. From that perspective, it's not so surprising that I'm an international lawyer. My grandparents both came from South Korea, both immigrants to the United States, and they both came here for education. My grandmother came here in 1948, my grandfather in 1949. He was a diplomat representing Korea, Korean mission to the United Nations, and then he was acting ambassador to the United States. But he was also a scholar of international law. My grandmother, Dr. Haesung Chun Koh, ultimately obtained her PhD in sociology here from Boston University in 1959. In fact, she graduated in the same ceremony in which Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. received a degree as well. So it's very meaningful for me to be a professor here. When I went to law school, the dominant question in my mind was, how does law work in a globalized world? How is it that law can come up with rules that countries in the world, despite all their various cultural differences, can agree is fundamentally just or fundamentally unjust? For me, what's beautiful about this is that I did not go into international law because of some sense of duty. It was a very organic love of international law and international affairs and culture that flowed from my own experience growing up in a Korean Lebanese American household, studying abroad, and working in the international community in The Hague and then in Washington, D.C.
What is the mens rea? What is the mens rea?
For me, it's important for faculty members of color to bring their own experience, their lived experience, to the classroom and to bring out those perspectives in the classroom as well. How do we think through international law or criminal law from a variety of personal perspectives that intersect with our identities? One of the reasons why I was very happy to join the BU Law faculty is because I think this law school has a real commitment to inclusivity. I think an example of that is my grandfather being on the faculty here for the better part of a decade in the 1950s. Time is cyclical. I can't believe my good fortune in teaching international law at the same law school my grandfather did.